As June 1st, 2026 marked the start of the official hurricane season, Prime Minister Honorable Philip J. Pierre emphasized the threat posed by volatile weather systems is not a matter to be taken lightly. The Prime Minister insisted that individuals must take personal responsibility for their safety.
Do not take this thing as a rumor-mongering thing. Don't take it as if it's a joke. It's serious stuff. Only listen to advice from Nemo and look out for yourself and look out for your neighbor. Have your own hurricane plan. Make sure you have your own hurricane plan because we never know. And again, a situation where everyone will suffer if there's a hurricane.
Central to his message is the importance of proactive maintenance. Pierre encouraged homeowners to address potential hazards on their properties immediately, specifically highlighting the threat posed by unchecked overhanging branches, among others.
Big things you can do. Overhanging branches on your house. Galvanize, going up there and getting some of them, ensuring that they are secured by just a few nails. Now these are simplistic, but they are things that we can do. You understand? Clearing the drains in front of your home.
The Prime Minister advised residents to continue the practice of harvesting rainwater and ensure that households are equipped with essential supplies. He stressed that government agencies cannot act in a vacuum and that the public must be active participants in disaster management. He urged citizens to listen closely to the advisories issued by the National Emergency Management Organization, NEMO, and to develop comprehensive family emergency plans. Cecil Actil, MBC Prime.